Going through divorce can be a very emotional and financially draining experience. Legal fees often end up being one of the biggest expenses, especially if the divorce is contested. However, there are some practical tips you can follow to reduce the cost. First, try to negotiate agreements with your spouse directly whenever possible. This avoids having to go through lawyers and mediators, which adds to the cost. Come to a consensus on issues like asset division, alimony, and child custody. Document your arguments and agreements clearly. Next, look for an experienced divorce lawyer who can provide quality services at affordable rates. Big law firms tend to be more expensive. Do your research to find out good lawyers and good reviews and reasonable fees. Also, hire lawyers willing to negotiate fees based on your financial situation. Consider alternatives like mediation, which is faster and cheaper than litigation. An impartial mediator helps both parties communicate and reach mutual agreements. Court battles drag on, racking up legal bills. With mediation, you can control over the outcome. Finally, recognize that you may need to compromise on some things, which reduces legal expenses. For instance, accepting 60-40 asset split instead of 50-50, while compromising ensure your essential needs are protected and rights are also protected. Going through a divorce while minimizing legal cost requires focus and practicality, but with right approach it is achievable. Do proper research, control emotions, negotiate reasonably, and explore cost-effective measures. This will help you reduce the financial burden. To learn more, visit lawlano.com.